to take just a moment and explain our Small Unmanned Aircraft System program. We actually like to refer to it as two small battery-operated remotely controlled helicopters. The Arlington Police Department was recently approved to fly these unmanned helicopters in support of keeping our community safe. The Federal Aviation Administration now allows us to fly low to the ground, under 400 feet, and within a clearly defined incident perimeter. As Police Chief Will Johnson said earlier this week,
we are the largest urban police department in the United States that has the authority and the permission from the FAA to operate these vehicles for public safety use within the United States. And we do this through holding the Constitution at the level that we all know that we should, protecting everybody's privacy, making sure that this is an asset for the community, but it is not an intrusion into people's civil liberties. But as this community knows, we're very good at providing services at the most efficient level possible. And where we can fly this helicopter in Arlington, Texas, for pennies on the dollar, it takes millions of dollars for communities to have an aviation week. And so we will continue to lead the organization and lead the community, because many of you know that we had a 77-year-old grandmother that left her front porch and was not seen again. And despite your best efforts, searching for her 24 hours a day for weeks, trying to find her, we weren't able to locate her. This technology being able to be used in law enforcement purposes could help serve as a tool to return someone's grandmother home safely. And so we will continue to strive to educate the community about unmanned aviation, what it represents, what it doesn't. And I'm proud to say that that is one of our most significant accomplishments as a department in 2012.
We are very excited about the benefits that this program will provide to our community. From helping us locate missing persons and children, to clearing our crash scenes on highways more quickly, and to providing assistance on damage assessments when Mother Nature strikes, this program is another tool to help us meet public safety needs. Let's talk briefly about the equipment. Our helicopters are not drones. Presently, they can only be flown during daylight hours and within a clearly defined incident perimeter. They carry consumer-grade video and photo equipment that you can purchase at a local retailer. Once a commander in the field requests the helicopter equipment, it has to be driven to the scene. We have to then notify air traffic control of our exact coordinates in longitude and latitude of where we will be flying the equipment. We then have certified officers who have been trained in flight operations who will fly the helicopters by what we call line of sight. For example, if we can't see over a hill, then our helicopter can't go over that hill. We have to maintain constant visual observation with the equipment. Additionally, we cannot fly the equipment outside of our incident perimeter area. Our program will not be used for routine patrol. They will not carry weapons. They will not issue citations. They will not be involved in vehicle pursuits, and they will not be conducting arbitrary surveillance operations. The limitations of our equipment have less than an hour of flight time. They are remotely controlled. If we were ever to lose control between the helicopter and the remote, there is a sophisticated navigation device on board that would force the helicopter to land in the exact spot where it took off. Our program can be operated at a fraction of the cost of a traditional aviation unit, which employs either a fixed-wing aircraft or manned helicopters, as you see in some large-scale police departments. We will have a media event in the next couple of weeks that will demonstrate our equipment. Thank you.